Good morning students. Today we are going to revise Indian Contract Act and some landmark judgments out of it. So to start with, first case is in front of you on screen. It's Balfour versus Balfour. Yes. Are you able to recall the facts of the case? And what was held in this case? It was held that it was only an agreement, as parties never intended to create legal relations or obligations. Lord Atkin beautifully explained this concept. Let us move further. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. So, what comes to your mind? Yes, you are correct. Something related to general offer. Okay. So, what was held in this case? It was held that a general offer can be accepted by anyone acting as per the terms of offer. Yes, the case established the concept of general offer well. Now let us move further. Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain versus Boots Cash Chemists Limited. Yes, this relates to invitation to an offer. And what did this case establish? It established that display of goods is only an invitation to offer and not an offer. Let us move further. Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. So, what happened in this case? Are you able to recall the facts of the case? And what conclusion was arrived at? Yes, it was established that the offer cannot be accepted in its ignorance. Moving further, and the last case for the day, Henderson versus Stevenson. Yes. To what concept it relates to? Yes, it is related to communication of special terms. So, reasonable effort must be made to bring attention to the special terms and conditions to be binding on the parties. Yes, this is what was established in this case. So, ticket which bore no reference to existence of terms and conditions on the back such terms and conditions were not held to be binding, as reasonable effort was not made to bring the attention of the party to such terms and conditions. So, had it been written on the front side of the ticket itself that for terms and conditions see back or please turn over, then situation would have been different. Thank you. Have a nice day.